it's me, Miss Taylor from the Warren-Trumbull County Library, and I'm here today to show you an experiment that I found. When I first found out about this experiment, the very first thing I knew that I had to do was gather my ingredients. So today I have vegetable oil, it's a little slippery, apple cider vinegar, baking soda. I had to read the label so that I didn't bring cornstarch or baking powder on accident. Although, if you try your own experiment with those items, maybe they would work. That's what experimenting is all about. I also have a container, a bottle for mixing, they're the same, a little cup, a pipette, some food coloring, and a teaspoon. And what we're making today is a lava lamp. If you've never heard of a lava lamp, ask your grandparents, probably. They probably had one. But you're going to like it. It's going to be very cool. So first things first, we're going to open up our baking soda. We need to put 2 tablespoons into here. But I already told you, I don't have a tablespoon. I have a teaspoon. So we have to do a mathematic conversion. So 3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon. And if we need 2 tablespoons, then we need 6 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. We're done with this now. Shake it out, get it nice and even. Get a good layer there on the bottom. The next thing we need to do is put a good amount of oil in it. So we don't want it to be full to the top, but we want there to be enough so that we can see what's going to happen when we add our special ingredient. So we'll take this. Be careful, it is slippery. And we pour it in. It's very oily. Pour it in about to there. You don't have to use a bottle like this at home, but whatever you do use, I would make it a clear jar or glass so that you can see what's going to happen. So now we've got our oil. We have to mix up our special ingredient. I'm going to mix it in this jar just to make sure you can see what it looks like before I put it in the opaque one. Opaque is something that you can't see through. You don't have to make much. Just a little bit, just enough. Now, it would work with just the vinegar, but see how the vinegar and the oil are similar in color? That's not going to show up very well. So we want to make it a little bit of a brighter color that we're going to be able to see. So I choose blue, but you can probably use just about any color you want. It's very strong food coloring, so you just need a few drops. And I put the lid on and shake it. Now it's ready. So I pour it into something smaller only because my pipette doesn't reach down in there. So I need something that's more shallow and less deep. All right, are we ready to see the magic happen? Get some of the solution into your pipette. And keep going. You want to have a lot in there. That's when it looks coolest. See, it already kind of floats around in the oil, but the really cool part is that when the vinegar solution hits that baking soda at the bottom, it has a reaction and starts fizzing, and that lifts the bubbles back up, giving it that lava lamp look. It's floating around in the oil. You can do this as much or as little as you want to. I happen to think it looks cool the more that you put in. It's not going to last forever, but it'll give you some entertainment for a little while. There they go. Let's watch them float around in there. Oh, they're so blobby. I love it. I hope you try this at home. And if you need ideas for science experiments, you can come see us here at the Warren-Trumbull County Library. We got all kinds of books on science experiments. So stop in and see us, get some books, and start making some cool stuff on your own at home. Bye.